Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Tinder with this complete beginner's guide. If you are new to Tinder, this video will help you get started. So first, download the Tinder app and sign in using your phone number or your Google account. Then go to your profile page, add or change your photo. So write something in the About Me section and fill in the More About Me section so that other people can learn a little bit about you. So next, start looking at profiles. So swipe left if you are not interested or swipe right if you are interested. And if both of you swipe right, it becomes a match and you can start chatting. So Tinder also has a 3 paid plans, so Plus, Gold, and Platinum. So these plans give you extra features like seeing who already liked your profile. Without premium, some may look blurry until you upgrade. So that is how you use Tinder. Set up your profile, start swiping, and enjoy meeting with new people. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.